Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see how to enable Mace and how to create a job, that is sensitive data discovering job. So for that, I already logged into AWS Management Console. I searched for AWS Mace. Now you can see AWS Mace services available. I just entered into the Mace. Now you can see I have an option that is get started. You click on it. If you click on it, then it will ask you to enable Mace, enable Amazon Mace. You need to create a rule, that is a service rule. So I have already told you, right? So while explaining the theory, I have already told you about this service linked role. By using this service linked role only, it can able to get access to all the services in order to perform Maze tasks. So for that, you just need to click OK, and then you just create this in order to enable your Maze. So you just click here on enable Maze. By default, this Maze is on disabled state. Now we are enabling by get started option. So now I am clicking on enable Maze. You can see I'll get the dashboard like this. Now what I'm expecting is I'm expecting to create a new job. So in order to analyze my existing bucket, I want to create a new job and I want to analyze my bucket where I have stored in my bucket data my credentials regarding my credit card details. So let me, I have already enabled this. So let us see after creating a job whether it can able to detect it or not my credentials details. So for that, I'm just clicking on get started. There you can see create a job. Now I'm just clicking on create a job. Now you can see it is asking me to choose S3 bucket. So you want to select a specific S3 bucket or you want to specify bucket criteria. So based on your requirement, you can select. Currently, I am selecting this, select specific bucket. So now I am selecting the existing bucket in this. Then I click it next. You can see it was providing me review of S3 bucket that I have selected. So currently my estimated cost is $0. You can even able to remove this bucket as well at the time of reviewing. Now I'm just clicking. Now it was asking me to define the scope. That means how many times. So based on what schedule you want to run. You want to schedule it daily or weekly or monthly, or else you want to run only one time. Currently, I am for this demo purpose, I am running it only once. So I'm selecting this one-time job. You can also have sampling depth. You can provide here based on this depth only, your data will be analyzed. So that much depth of data will be analyzed. Now I'm just clicking on next. Now we just got this page that is select managed identifiers, managed data identifiers. We have already discussed about this managed data identifiers in the theory section. Those who have not knowledge on this, then please watch it. These are already predefined identifiers. If you want to use all identifiers, then select this. If you want to exclude some, then select this. If you want to include only particular identifiers, then select this. If you don't want to specify if you don't want to use any managed identifiers, then select this. Currently, I'm expecting to use all. So I selected all. And then you can see at bottom, you have next option. Now I'm just clicking here. Then after, we have an option to select custom data identifier. So here, if you have any data identifiers that are created by you, then those you can able to upload from here. So from this managed custom identifiers, you can select them. Then you can able to select them from here and you can use it. You can even able to use those custom identifier. Currently, I'm selecting this. Now I'm clicking on next. Now we are on the general settings stage. Here we need to provide the job name. By using this job name only, we can able to identify our job. Then we have tags option. These are optional tags. We can able to identify them. by using these tags as well among multiple AWS resources, those I have. And even for automation purpose, these tags are useful. Now I'm just clicking on next. By specifying my job name is this and description, it's an optional. If you want, you provide. Now I'm clicking on next. Now you can see the option of review. So review. Here you can able to review all the details about provision you provided. You can see S3 details, what I provided, those are available here, and the scope. Since I want to execute one time, so I selected this one-time scope, and manage data identifiers. I included all. Under custom data identifiers, I provided one, and name of job and description of the job also I provided, and tags I haven't provided. You can see at last I have an option. So even cost estimation is also available in the right side top. Now I'm just moving on with submit option. So I'm just clicking on submit now. Now I just submitted my job. After 5 to 10 minutes, your findings will be created under this session, under your AWS Macie, under this finding section, your findings will be created. So while explaining about these findings, I have already explained these are filtered by using bucket and type by job you specified. So you can able to filter them as well. Currently, I'm just clicking on findings. You can see here our created. So whatever the job that we created, that related overview is available here and the result is available here. If you clearly understood, clearly see, then financial information, one is identified and personal information, one is identified here. So wow, we successfully identified my personal information, that is credit card details present in my S3 bucket, right? Yeah, by using this maze, by enabling this maze. So by using in this way we can able to create a job successfully. You got an idea of how to create AWS Macie jobs, and you got an idea of how to watch your findings and identify your sensitive data present in your S3 bucket from this lab. So I hope you get knowledge on AWS Macie service from this video. If you feel this video is contentful and you got some knowledge or knowledge recap from this video, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye, guys.